Hello everyone, this is Trader Cisco. It's January 5th. I just wanted to talk a little bit about the need for patience in the market, and that in trading it's not necessarily the amount of positions that we take, it's making sure that we maximize the positions we take and pick the best ones. And sometimes there's a tremendous need for us to have patience in the market to make sure that we find those good picks. Today, during or right prior to the London market open, the pound Swissy broke out of a channel. Now, the way the market's moved, it's made it look even tighter, but it was about a 40 pip range that we had right here. And I had even called out on Twitter 1 hour before the London Open, as you see that arrow's pointing to the London Open, that the pound Swissy was breaking out of that level. Now, uh, what could have happened if I would have been impatient was once I got a 1 hour open outside of that range, I could have entered the trade right there. My stop would have had to have been about the same that I have now. As you can see, my red line there, that was my stop, or that is my stop, I should say. But because I use patience and recognize that many times when there's a breakout, it comes back to kiss that level before that it actually makes the move. That allowed me to get a much better entry. But the key fact that I want to stress is I basically set from an hour pre-London Open. It took almost 2 full hours before I got my entry that I wanted on the market to allow me then to go long. You'll notice that I have the top of this consolidation marked out at 1.4793. My entries, and of course you've got a 7 pip spread on this, but I had an entry at 48.04 and I had a second entry at 48.08. I scaled into this position, 48.06. So I took my two scaled in positions. My first one paid out at this level right here. I took 50 pips on it. My second uh, entry is currently up 134 pips, 133 pips as it jumps around. I do watch these levels in the market. Just to give you an idea, I go back and draw these levels. This is based on a 4 hour chart, and find historically where the market continues to show either support or resistance. We are just about to hit my second primary target. When this video is over, I may take off another half and continue to adjust this. Now I have my take profit line here. Basically it's there because I don't want it to get hit here at 49.50, but I still really don't see, I mean, there is some traction here at the 1.5 thousand, but I'm actually looking at 5100 as the next level that this pair will move to. Another real telling sign for me is that with this 100 moving average line on the 4 hour, you'll notice that we have opened above that. That is a big deal for me too. I know the 4 hours is a little more variable because you could have a 4 hour chart that's based on GMT or a 4 hour that's based on New York close. However, I still feel that that holds some weight in the market. So basically, I just wanted to give you a review and recognize that sometimes when you find the right setup, it takes a little while. It just doesn't happen right away. But if we're willing to be patient, we recognize our levels, we know that it's going to come back, tap that level, and give us the ideal entry. As far as the month for me, I've only had 5 positions in the market. Uh, that's not a lot, as you would expect, being this early in the market. However, I'm 5 for 5 with a plus 16, a plus 34, a plus 52, a plus 50, and the current trade is up 153 pips. So I don't have to take a lot of positions if I'm patient and wait for the proper entry to occur. Thanks a lot. I hope this helps you. Not trying to teach you anything you don't already know, but patience is huge, and it took me a long time to learn that. Hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon.